That's a hell of a thing your boys did, Artanis. Sky Shield is back online. We're about to call down the cavalry.
We will join you on the surface and extract the keystone.
I got some bad news for you. Seems our friends below had the same idea. While we were fighting to get planetside, the Imperial Palace was raided. Security data indicates the keystone was taken. My mama used to have a saying, when it rains, it floods.
I am uncertain as to how this saying is helpful, friend Raynor.
Me either. Wait a minute. I'm getting intel. A Mobius Core evac team is headed toward Bennett Port. They got the keystone.
We shall not let them escape.
Hierarch, I have powered up a new ship subsystem. You can review it in the solar core now.
It's looking bad, Artanis. A lot of dead people down there. We gotta take these bastards out.
What could have led these Terrans to come under Amon's thrall?
They were assigned to some top-secret details, running security at Dr. Nerud's hybrid research labs. After Valerian re-established the government, the Mobius Foundation went dark. Last transmissions were chaotic, crazed. Next thing we know, the attack started.
Then Amon has turned them into his slaves. An army. They are dangerous, but they are only the start of the war to come.
You always were the optimistic sort.
I have received word from our scouts. It seems Amon's forces are dividing to conquer separate parts of the sector at once.
Mobius Core is making their way to Bennett Port with the artifact. We gotta stop them before they get away with it. Welcome to Bennett Port, at least what's left of it. Mobius Core has entrenched themselves here to keep us from the artifact. Valerian's setting up his base now. Once he gets...
Raynor, what is happening?
The hybrid are channeling void energy into the keystone. The resulting psionic disruption has overwhelmed the Terrans.
Deploy our immortals. We need heavy assault to protect these Terrans until the disruption subsides.
Man, that's 2 I owe you, Artanis. Felt like I was losing my damn mind.
The keystone is recharging, Commander. They will surely activate it again soon. We must reclaim it.
You ain't kidding. Let's lock and load, partner.
We can construct immortals from the robotics facility. They are quite effective at sieging enemies or defending our allies.
All right. My boys are taking this fight to Mobius Core. And once you got your defenses in place, bring the heat.
Our cannon shall sing.
This disruption has hit my forces hard. We've taken heavy casualties, and we're going to need more time to establish our fortifications. Do what you can to keep them at bay.
Already on it. Your position will be secure till they fire off that keystone again.
We shall serve forever. shall say, Ixabil.
Hierarch, several of our Dominion research facilities are reporting that they are under attack. If you can rescue them, I'll return any Protoss technology they've collected to you.
It is destined. Liberated a Dominion facility.
Can't believe we made it out alive. Some of our medics will stay behind in case you need them.
I heed the call. Pause Allah, Oshar.
You must construct additional pylons.
The Keystone is reaching full power, Hierarch. We will need to defend our allies from the hybrid once more.
Vigilant. It is destined. Osiris? Fear consume you. I feel your presence. Osiris Shien. Ixabil. This shall be released. Our cannon shall swing. Yours along. Our blades meet the enemy. To victory. Ixabil. Our is unbeatable. The attackers have fallen. Forge ahead to the Keystone's location. Amanakai. Glow, I heed. We march to victory.
Commander, our forces are ready. The Dominion is engaging Mobius Corps.
Thank you for your help. Our last science vessels are on their way to the front line.
It is destined.
Upgrade complete.
I return to serve. Drink not ever. Osiris Shien. Our duty is unending. Mobius Corps has turned their sights upon our Nexus. Prepare for battle.
All will worship, or be forever silent!
shall serve forever.
We've broken their defenses. Let's get some bunkers out there.
Our duty is unending.
Keystone is emitting powerful energies. I expect it will fire again soon.
Continue onward, warriors.
You have not enough minerals.
Our cannon shall sing. I return to serve. There shall be a remnant. It is destined.
Upgrade complete.
I heed. Osiris Hien.
Damn. That's one hell of a headache. Thanks for the help, Artanis.
Dominion SCVs, establish a fortification line here.
Thank heavens. Almost everyone died. Just a few medevacs left. I'll send them to support the Emperor's forces.
Emperor Valerian, we have secured all of the threatened facilities.
I promise you, I won't forget this kindness, Hierarch.
There shall be a reckoning.
battle line forward.
Sabil. Glory is eternal. We march to victory. I return to serve. I feel your presence. We march to victory. It is Pors alarm.
Keystone is about to emit another disruption nova. The Terrans will be incapacitated while the disruption is active.
Nice work. That area's secure. I'll set up some defenses.
Shall be torn asunder. The enemy closes. There shall be a reckoning.
That did it. We pushed Mobius core back. Damn. Look at this place. Even the Zerg didn't tear into the city like this.
Did you know this warrior?
No. But I know his story. I know all their stories. None of them ever think it'll end like this. Reports been coming in from all over. Dominion worlds overrun. Outposts destroyed. A lot more dead boys out there. Warriors.
Death is the fate of all warriors. A fate we too may soon embrace.
Fate ain't written, Artanis. Way I see it, if Zeratul believed you could make a difference in all this, then this fight's just begun.
It is your custom to shake the hand of a friend, is it not?